Hey everyone. So it's just 2 weeks ago, I was just telling my members in my trading community that as more and more prop firms come around, at some point, regulatory bodies are going to step in to ensure that the operations are well above board. And this could affect the long-term sustainability of the prop firm business and the prop firm industry. And now it has happened. Early this morning, my Forex Fund released a statement saying that yesterday, without prior notice or discussion, a provincial securities regulator in Canada and the commodities regulator in the US issued orders preventing us from trading securities or accessing funds in our bank accounts. That was what was sent out by my Forex Funds. Essentially, what this means is that their bank accounts have been frozen, which also means that you're not going to get your payouts until these orders are lifted. I don't intend to be the bearer of bad news, but from my understanding and experience on this is not going to be resolved anytime soon. Not in a week, not in a month, or even a couple of months. They did highlight that they were going to court on the 11th of September. I think that it's too soon. I think it's going to be a long, drawn out process. As far as I know, when it comes to finance and regulators and litigation, this saga could take a year or even a couple of years. This is going to become a case study for the industry. An investigation into one company will eventually lead to closer scrutiny of the industry as a whole. Prop firms established in Canada, the US, the UK will be looked into first. And as we know, regulators do share information with each other all the time. So I think that even prop firms from all around the world could be looked into at some point in time. Now, we don't know the details of how my Forex Fund operates, what they're doing or how they do things, and we shall not speculate. I'm not trying to frighten all of you. In fact, I myself have a reasonable account with my Forex funds. And I know many people who are waiting for payouts or possibly even expecting a refund of the subscription fees. Unfortunately, with their bank accounts frozen and with whatever money, if the company has whatever money available, repaying clients would probably be the last thing on their mind. So it's going to be a long time, long time before payouts, if any, would be seen. It will hurt, and it'll probably be easier to forget about the possibility of a payout. I feel especially for the people who have invested so much time and effort building on their trading, building on their track record, to become a $1 million or multi-million dollar funded trader. All I can say is that this is not uncommon in the world of trading. You might have been badly affected, but the main thing now is to learn from this, to grow from this undesirable experience. Bear in mind, take note, there will be an increase in marketing effort from all the other prop firms, taking advantage of the bad or the unsavory or the difficulty that my Forex Fund is going through right now. The other prop firms will talk about how they are safer, they'll talk about how they are potentially regulated, or how they are located in an area or country that does not require that regulation, and then you have to switch over to them. Please remember, do your own due diligence. Make sure that you check everything through. It has happened to one company already. I do think that it's going to happen to most, if not all, the other companies. So just be extra careful there. Don't feel like you have to rush into something else. If you are trading on a prop firm, or if you have been trading on another prop firm, maybe something to think about, and my suggestion would be to request for your payout quite soon, right? Take the money to build your own trading account. Building your own trading account, yes, you will have your starting capital or your trading capital will be lower. It's not going to be unlikely to be in that millions that you might have on a trading account, on a prop trading account. your potential profit is also going to be significantly lower. But if you choose the right broker, which I'll tell you more about in another video, at least you'll be able to trade with a bit more security, a bit more confidence, knowing that you won't have to wake up to such a shocking news like that again. A positive from this, we always have to look on the bright side, think about the better side of life. A positive from this is that at least you have proven that you can trade under strict risk management conditions. You've passed challenges, you've done, your strategy works, you know that you can trade well. Maintain the same trading conditions. Keep the same way that you trade. Use the same strategy. Do that onto your own trading account. You see improvements, you see growth. It will take time, but at least you're able to grow your account in another way. Overall, let's see how this My Forex Fund saga develops. In the meantime, please trade well and stay safe, my friends.